Hi Draw So Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw a crab from Squishmallows. So let's get started. To draw this cute crab, let's first start by drawing a big curve for the top. So I'm going to come right here and just start with a big curve to draw the Squishmallow body shape, which is kind of like my usual dumpling shape, but just longer. So now I'm just going to bring this down on both sides and bring it down a little bit more. And about right here, I'm going to round it off. And same thing on this side. And now we can just go ahead and just connect it at the bottom with a curve. There, so we have a basic Squishmallow shape. From there, let's bring it to life, and we're going to come about right in this area and draw a circle for the eyes. And I'll come right across and draw another circle. And I'll make them draw so cute eyes since they're big enough. I'll just put two small circles inside for highlights, and a curved line at the bottom and shade in the top. If yours are pretty small, you can just put one highlight right here on the side and shade everything else in black. So do the same thing over here. There, now my circle's in, I'll come above each circle and just draw a soft curve over each eye. And then let's draw a really cute smile right in the center, right in between the eyes. And there, happy crab, right? Then from there, let's come about here in this area, and I'm just going to go ahead and bring a point across, approximate so I kind of know where I'm going. And I'm just going to draw this big curve towards the center, and then we're going to start coming down for the tummy area. There. And then now to make it look like a crab, because right now it's just your basic Squishmallow, right? To make it look like a crab, let's come to the sides right here, kind of like where the eyes are. And I'm going to bring out a curve and another curve. And let's go ahead and draw the claws. So come up, nice and big, soften up the tip, and then come in, and then come out, and then another one, it's a little bit bigger, and connect. There. So it's just same thing on the other side. So about right there and here. And big curve comes out, and once again, same thing. In, out, round off that tip and bring it in. From there, let's draw all the other legs. So I'm going to come right here and draw 3 of them. So let's come about right here and just draw 3 curves. 1, maybe the center one can pop out a little bit more, and a smaller one at the bottom. So it's just same thing on the other side. Right here, I'll just go ahead and start. 1, 2, and 3. And last but not least, let's add a heart, right? So I'll add one, let's put it right here to make it my Draw So Cute Squishmallow crab. I really hope this inspires you to draw it, and that I made it fun and easy for you to follow along with me. Thanks so much for watching, and if you did love it, please make sure to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.